Today's house impresses with a 20-meter free span across its main facade, a gesture that evokes the utopias of Brazilian modernism and reflects the ever-changing nature of human beings through architecture. Paulistana House is a concept home built for Casacor São Paulo 2025, reusing a metal structure from houses featured in previous editions of the show. Designed by Brazilian architect João Panaggio, its design echoes the tropical modernist movement, seen both in the choice of materials, such as natural stone and reclaimed wood panels, and in the use of native species in the landscape. Designed from an irregular triangle, the floor plan shapes an open, fluid interior where living, reading, cooking, and resting unfold under natural light filtered through strategically placed skylights and openings. The furnishings include pieces by prominent names in contemporary Brazilian design. In the living room, highlights include the sofa Rima, the coffee table Aro, the armchair Caiapo, the armchair Paulistana, the table Mr. Concava 0060, and the floor lamp Tirante. In the Paulistana House, art plays a central role, forging visual and symbolic connections with the architecture. A sculpture by Marcelo Silveira, carved from Cajacatinga wood, creates a transition point between spaces. With its palette of raw materials, Paulistana House pays tribute to the dreams of Brazilian modernism while proposing a renewed and conscious way of living in the city. In the kitchen, the pendant Joatinga and the stools Mongazal stand out. Elements such as the floor in ultraboard, a recycled material from other Casacor São Paulo settings, drywall enclosures, and dry construction techniques reinforce the house commitment to sustainable practices. Under the theme, Sowing Dreams, the house is a reflection on permanence, belonging, and transformation. A manifesto for the future, drawn with reverence to the past. The modernist utopia, a dream imagined by masters such as Artigas, Niemeyer, Lina, Reedy, and so many others, inspires the lines of this house, which respectfully looks to the past to project the desires of the future. Works by Marina Hachem and Caio Reisewitz are featured in the bedroom, while installations by Laura Vinci occupy the bathroom and kitchen. In the bedroom, you'll find the bed Mora, the bedside table Novum, and the armchair with ottoman Benicio, while the table lamp Bloco 2F is a creation by the Studio MK27. Light and shadow intertwine and shape the space, revealing the essential relationship between humans and nature. The architectural starting point is the box. Subtracting, opening, creating, a labyrinth of meanings and functions, where form guides experience and the path reveals shelter. Welcome to the Paulistana House, an architectural manifesto for 2025.